बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ये लेसन 55 है अबाउट टोफल सीरीज ऑफ द बिगनर्स। आज हम इसमें कॉजेटिव वर्ब मेक के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे। इससे पहले हम लास्ट लेसन में हैव और गेट को स्टडी कर चुके हैं इन डेप्थ। सो विदाउट फर्दर अड्यू लेट्स स्टार्ट द लेसन। Now make can be followed only by a clause in the active voice। इससे पहले जब हमने have और get को स्टडी किया था तो हमने ये मालूम किया था कि आपका जो वर्ड have और get है they can be either followed by active or passive clauses, but when it comes to a word causative verb make, so this can be only followed only by a clause in the active voice. It is stronger than have or get. It means you are forcing someone. इससे पहले जब यू आर आस्किंग अबाउट हैव और गेट तो वो एक देवर मोर लीनियंट मीन्स ऑफ एक्सप्रेशंस, और इट कैन बी ईदर फॉलोड बाय एक्टिव और पैसिव। However, जब आप मेक के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो मेक इज़ more stronger than have or get, and it actually means you're forcing someone, and it's only followed by the active clause. इसका sentence construction ऐसे होगा कि there is a subject followed by a make, and again it can be any tense, followed by a complement which can be any person for that matter. This will be followed by a verb in the simple form. So the sentence will look like, the robber made the teller give him the money. The robber made the teller give him the money. So the robber forced the teller actually to give him the money. It's not a request, it's not you are asking someone, it's just the mere force. Note, force plus complement is verb in the infinitive form. When the word force and the complement comes, then you have a verb in the infinitive form. जब हमने यहाँ पे forced का word इस्तेमाल किया है अपने expression को इस्तेमाल दिखाने के लिए, because made is actually is you are forcing someone, but when the word force comes followed by a complement, in that case आपके पास जो verb form है that will be in the infinitive form and it's no longer a simple form verb. इसको हम examples में further reinforce करते हैं सारे concept को. The first example is, the manager made the salesman attend the conference. The manager made the salesman attend the conference. Made followed by the simple verb form. The teacher always makes the children stay in their seats. Again, simple verb form followed by make. George made his son to be quiet in the theater. So again, the word made is followed by a silence or quiet, simple verb form in the sentence. And again, these are all forced conditions. A manager is forcing the salesman, a teacher is forcing their student, or a father is forcing a son to be quiet in a theater. Furthermore, the president is making his cabinet members sign this document. So again, this is a forced feature. It's more stronger. It's not a request or a plea whatsoever. It's a forced job get done by president from president by his members, cabinet members. Another example is, the teacher had made the students' parents sign release forms before he let the students jump on the trampoline. So that's how a teacher has forced the parents of the kids to get those trampoline things done with their consent form signed. So again, all the forced conditions जिसमें you are forcing someone to get his or her job done, आप उसमें make को इस्तेमाल करेंगे. I hope this all makes sense. If it did, subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.